Are you struggling to stay energized during long shifts? Long shifts demand healthy fuel, but who has the time? I know it's hard to eat healthy on long shifts when fast food and snacks seem like the only options. However, meal prep can change your life. In this video, I'll simplify meal prep for you. Here are 3 quick, healthy recipes for energy and focus. For your grab-and-go breakfast, mix oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. For energy, combine quinoa, grilled chicken, steamed veggies, and a drizzle of your favorite dressing. For on-the-go consumption, pre-portion nuts, fruit, and dark chocolate for a quick energy boost during your shift. The benefits of meal prep is that it saves you time, keeps you nourished, and helps you avoid the dreaded mid-shift crash. It's self-care on the go. So, plan ahead, eat well, and stay energized. For more tips and recipes for busy nurses, follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your well-being matters.